Hello dear students. So today again study time. We will study subject English. Alright. So here you can see that sound of I. We will study words today with the sound of I. Okay. I sounds E. Okay. Here some words are written and with the pictures also, just to identify the picture and the spelling of it. Alright. So first word bin is what? Bin. bin, bin. Okay. Dustbin. You just say usually dustbin. It's called bin. We are having at our homes, schools, offices also, just to put that waste and waste things and garbage just we throw in the dustbin. We just throw? We should. Alright. We should throw waste papers and the garbage in the dustbin only. Alright. And the spelling of bin is what? It's bin, bin. Okay. So learn the spelling of bin. And when the word bin will come into mind, then what is that there? We should keep our surroundings very neat and clean. And for that, bin is there just to put the waste papers and the garbage inside the dustbin. Alright? So do it regularly, whether you are in the school or you go somewhere or you are at your home. So nowadays you all are at your homes. So keep your surroundings, your room, your house neat and clean. If somewhere bits of papers or any kind of the garbage is thrown here and there, so you just pick that up and throw in the dustbin. You know that rhyme also? What? You know that rhyme? What was the rhyme? Bits of paper, lying on the floor, throw in dustbin. Okay, so that's way you have to learn the word bin and spelling also. Alright? Next, word is pin, pin. Speak with me, pin, pin. So pin is what? You can see that very fine and that sharp pin we use just to tuck somewhere some things, and usually your mama when they wear sari and the grandmother sari, they put a pin there just to hold the sari in front, okay, front side. So and somewhere else also we use that pin. So this is not very safe for the kids, okay. So it should be used only by your elders only. Elders means your parents, your grandparents, your uncle, aunt, okay. You are not supposed to use in this age this pin, okay. So spelling of pin, pin, pin. Whenever your mama, your grandmother, your aunt, they put the pin there, you can say, ma, yes, this is the pin, pin, pin. Alright. Next word is with the sound I, tin, tin. Speak with me, tin, tin. Tin is what? A tin box. This one also is not very safely used for you. You have to just to use this tin, you have to take help of your parents only. Alright? And this age you are very small. So you are not supposed to use this tin, but whenever you can see, you can say that one is the tin. And spelling of tin, tin, tin. Alright? Now, next word you see with the sound I. King, king. King, king. Nowadays you all are just, again I am telling you, just you all are just looking that you watch the television. So there are many stories of the kings you all are just watching there in the television. So this is the spelling of king. King, king. Now coming to the next spelling, ring, ring. Look at my ring here, just showing you all, see here. And you also have some, the kind of that ring, you sometimes your mother just make you just give a get up to go some parties, and just you all are having your kid ring also, and your mother also having that, other persons also you can see they are wearing rings. Where do we wear the rings? In our fingers especially. Alright, we just wear the ring in our fingers. Alright, so spelling of ring, ring, ring. Alright, next spelling you see with the sound I, that one is sing, sing. So just sing, just you all sing any song, your favorite song. You love singing, most of you just love singing. Any tune you just take and just start singing in a rhythm. You sing your rhymes also in a rhythm. So that one is the singing. Okay, you must enjoy singing. Alright, in your free time, just to make your studies that very much relaxed after studying, you can sing also in your free time. Alright, singing also is a very good habit. Okay, you can take help of your parents also, and you can take that help of that whenever you watch the television and you just watch your laptop. Some downloading things are there, that the singing, some songs are there, so you can sing. How do we sing? We sing like that. So that one is the sing. Okay, spelling of sing, sing, sing. So today you all will sing a song. Okay, sing a song and tell mama and tell your parents that I am singing. Alright, so you have to sing a song also. Okay, now next word with the sound I, that one is Night, night. Night, night. You know very well night. Day, we get up, and the night time we just sleep. When do we go to sleep? In the night. So look at that picture of night here. Stars, twinkling stars. When we see the stars, we see so many stars, uncountable stars in the night. Alright, we see? You all see? Yes, you all see. Stars are very twinkling, shining, and moon also there. One moon also there in the night. Spelling of night, Nigst, night. So when do we see that moon and stars? At what time? In the night. So spelling of night, Nigst. Alright. So when the whole day it's a dark, in the night you see in the sky stars and the moon, and so you can say that this is night time. Sometimes we do not see the moon because of the cloudy, so because of the clouds, so sometimes we do not see that moon, but stars we see. So at night time you can say this is the night time. Spelling of night, Nigst, night. But usually we see that stars and moons, sometimes if the weather is not good, we do not see sometimes that stars and that moon. Okay, with the cloudy weather. Now coming to that next word is the right, Rigst, right. When you do your work nicely and neatly, so your teacher just what? Correct your work. So to correct the word we just write. Put a right there like that. So this one is what? Right. This one is what? Right. Okay. This one is what? Right. Spelling of right, Rigst, right. Okay. Now sometimes some children they just fight for a thing that is not very good. Sometimes you may fight also, so this is not a good thing, fighting. Yes, but you must know the spelling of fight. Spelling of fight is what? F-I-G-H-T. F-I-G-H-T. You can see here two children are here fighting. Two kids are fighting. So this is not a good one. It's not good thing. But we must know the spelling of fight. That one is F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Alright. Now, you can see in your book also words with sound I. Page number 9. You can see here some words are there. Now, look at in your book. Speak with me. Alright, some pictures are there with the words. With the sound I. H-I-L-L, hill. B-I-L-L, bill. M-I-L-L, mill. Hill is what? When there is very hot in that plain areas, we go to the hills. Ice. You can see that there. Weather very cool there, huh? So that area known as that hills. Okay. Now bill. When we purchase something, or when we go to the restaurant also, when we were going just in past days, we went to that restaurant, and we after eating your parents get the bill. So that one is that bill. Alright. Mill is where that many people are working in the mill for making and just for producing things in a very large amount. So that one is known as mill. Okay. So here you can see that mill. In that mill, very too much smokes they spread. That's why it is not there in that. Mills are not made in that city area. It is that interior area. All right. Now, next picture you can see K-I-N-G, king. I explained you a lot about the king. R-I-N-G, ring. You know that very well, ring. We wear in fingers. That wings. That W-I-N-G, wing is what? You can see the birds are having wings. Okay, birds are having wings. They fly with the help of wings. Alright. Next picture you can see spelling of girl. Here also sound of I there. G-I-R-L, girl. Girl. Yes. Beautiful girl. So pretty girl. Now spelling of skirt. Next picture S-K-I-R-T, skirt. Here also we have used that I, sound of I is there, skirt. Okay. Shirt, S-H-I-R-T, shirt. In this word also you can see that sound of I, shirt. Okay. So with that red color, what is there in that spelling? I is mentioned. Alright. So you can see here that I just underline that I. You see that use of I in these words. Speak aloud. Okay, and you must know that what that mean of that word. What is the meaning of that word? Okay. Now page number 10 you open. You can see here there are different 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also some words are written with the sound of I. First word I'll explain, and the next all words you have to just read with yourself, with your practice. Okay. Now first word you see B-I-N, bin, that I have taught you. F-I-N, fin. So what you see here in the first block, I-N, at the end all words are having, and just put here B, it will become bin, put here F, become fin, put here P, become pen, put here S, become sin, put here T, become tin, put here W, it will become win. Alright. Next, the next block you can see that P-I-N-G, first word is ping. So in next all words, next three words you can see there ing common there. First you put there S, it will become sing. Put there T, ting. Put there Z, zing. Similarly, other words also in the different blocks. First I will tell you, next you have to just match and speak. First word D-I-C-E, dice. D-I-C-E, dice. Next, all three words you can see there, I-C, ice. And first you have to just go with that next letter and sound out. M sound ma. So M-I-C, mice. N, nice. R, rice. Okay. Next, D-I-S-H, dish. Next block you can see here. Three words are only there in this block. D-I-S-H, dish. ISH common, and when you put F it will become fish. When you put W it will become wish. Wish, what do you want? That one is the wish. Next, two blocks are there. F-I-L-L, fill. I-L-L common, and you have to go with the next letters. You put that G, gill, put that K, kill, put that N, nil, put that P, pill, put that T, till, put that W, will. Next, the last box you can see there, L-I-G-H-T, light. Light, you know very well, the room is dark, where there is, you cannot see, when you can see visually things very nicely, that is the light is there. Okay, so L-I-G-H-T, light. I-G-H-T is common in next three words. And you have to put M, it will become might. Put where you put S, it will become sight. If you put T, it will become tight. Okay, hold it tightly. Hold your book tightly. It could not get slipped. Okay. Next, you see the picture on the page number 10. Look, read, and do. Now, F-I-L-L, fill. Here you can see that a bucket is just getting filled with the water. So you can do it also at your home when you go to take bath. Just fill your bucket. Alright. Now sing. Today you all will sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Oh, singing you must do. Okay. And it is also good for keep your body fit. Okay. Now S-I-P, sip. When you drink something, we take sip. Okay. Whenever we drink anything, maybe milk or any your juices you want to drink, so you take sip. S-I-P, sip. Now next page number 11 is there. First we go through that exercises, then after at the end we'll just enjoy with this rhyming words, rhyme. Okay, now match the rhyming words. You have to see, do it yourself. Just match it with the ending sound, with the ending spelling. Suppose, for example, W-I-N-G, wing, you have to match with I-N-G. So it will be matched with sing. F-I-S-H, fish, with dish. Night with fight. Fill with hill. Rice with nice. Wife with life. Alright? Next, look at the picture. You can see that pictures, three spellings are there. You have to take the correct one. This is the picture of ring. So you must know the spelling of ring. I have taught you here. You have to just tick that at the right spelling. Next, the picture of hill is there. You have to just tick where the correct spelling of hill is there. So you will tick in that word. Next, that one is the night. You have to just tick the spelling of night. Alright. So, along with studying, we will have some fun and enjoyment also. Every time, whenever you study, you should study with full interest. Okay. We should study with full interest. Then only you can just memorize all the things which are taught, which your teacher is telling. How? When you take interest, then after you can just learn and memorize. Okay, so you must take interest every time, every day, whenever we teach you. Okay, so here you see that in this rhyme one child is just taking sip of the juice, sip of the milk. You just see here, and we just recite together. I'll speak, you have to speak with me after me. Okay, dip dip dip, say dip dip dip. Dip is straw step. Dip is straw step. That child is just what, sipping with the straw. So you have to first dip the straw. Straw dip here into that glass. Then open your lip. How do you sip? Open your lip. Sip, sip, sip. Sip, sip, sip. Wear a bib just because you are a kid. Whenever you are just sipping something or eating, you should wear a apron or bib also. Just for what? Just it will keep your dress you are wearing that safe. Okay, it will not get any stain. Okay, a drop of any food is, if they fell down, so your dress is clean, your dress will be clean, and it will go on that bib, it will go on that apron. All right, so try to just wear that apron when you eat food or drink something. All right, so this is that you all studied words with sound I. Okay, so different spellings are there, and with that sounds of also I is there. Just you have to read and speak aloud. Okay, just enjoy your study. Thank you, class.